Hey, what's going on YouTube? 2008 Altima. The problem I'm having right now, I just got some oil leak. Been driving. Once I start the car on a cold start, it would leak. But once I start driving, the leak stops, and there's a minimum of a few drops here and there. If you know about these cars seem to have the same problem. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in there and I'm gonna show you step by step on what to do. All right, I got the car right now on 2 jack stands. I got a tire in the back, just there in case anything, and I have a jack up front. So make sure you work in a good, safe environment, and then you got some safety procedures just in case those jack stands do decide to give up. So here we go. First thing first, drain your oil. Drain the oil, and if you go in the car, let me see if I can get a good look with my flashlight. If you go in here, I'm gonna shoot it up with a flashlight so you can see it. See right there? There you go. Perfect view. Oil engine coolant. The oil coolant, basically. So basically that is a known problem for these Altimas. And as you can see, right down there, you see all the drops. Right there is giving me the main problem. You could just observe it and see that, yep, that's the main problem. So you're gonna have, let me fix the flashlight so you can see it better. So you're gonna have 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, and 4 right there. This bolt right here is gonna give you the hard time because, you see, because right there, that bad boy is blocking it with the holes. So you got to be careful. You got to get a short in there, and these 2 is a long, and they're not much hard to get off. So if you got a oil problem leaking, most likely is that. If it's not that, should be right coming from under the filter, the oil filter gasket, the oil ring gasket. So it might be coming from there. So if you got an oil leak, instead of taking it to a mechanic, is a real easy job. I took off my tire, I took off that the guard right here covering everything, and right in here, you see that right there. It's not a hard job. If you could do an oil change, you can do this as well. And you ain't got to be a rocket scientist to get back in here. All of those are 12s. So all 4, two bolts, one short right here, the top one is long, and 2 nuts right there. The one back there, you see it on that side, and right there. I gave you guys a perfect view. So just go ahead and get in there. You see, you got enough space to get in there with a ratchet or air gun or whatever like that, or a brushless compact drill. You got enough space to get in there. So right there is your problem. If it's not there, and then you notice the oil leak is coming from a little bit up front, it's right here. That oil filter gasket right behind there is coming from there. So the part number is let me go ahead and read it to you guys. There you go, B32528. That's the part number right there. Simple. What you're gonna do is you're gonna get back there. I ain't got my gloves on. I don't want to get my hands dirty, but for YouTube, I'll do it for you guys. You see right there? Bam. That comes out. It comes out. That's the old gasket. Get that old gasket out. Put the new one in there. Tighten it up. You ain't got to go all crazy tighten it up like you ain't got no sense. Just tighten it up a good amount and leave it there, because you don't want to strip it. You don't want to go ahead and mess anything up, because if you do, you'll be in much more trouble than you were in before. So go ahead and do that, and you'll know this is an easy fix. And all right, so long.